In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your tasks in Notion by using sub-items to organize your workload more effectively. If you've been trying to find a way to streamline how you track everything you need to do, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and transform your task management system with just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to open your Notion task database. It doesn't matter whether you're working in the table view or the board view, as the steps we're about to cover will apply to both layouts. Once you have your task database in front of you, direct your attention to the settings to make the necessary adjustments. On the right-hand side of your Notion database, you'll notice a set of three dots, which is the More Settings option, often referred to as an ellipsis. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This is where you'll access a variety of settings to customize your view. What you're looking for here is the option to turn on sub-items. Simply click to enable this feature, which will give you a more structured way to organize tasks related to larger projects or objectives. Now that you've activated the sub-items function, you'll notice a small change beneath each task in your database. When you look at each task, a convenient arrow will appear next to it. Clicking this arrow will reveal additional options, including the ability to add a sub-item. Go ahead and select Add Sub-Item from the list. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in this section, you can start typing out your subtasks directly under the main task. What makes this feature incredibly useful is that all your subtasks will automatically stay linked to their parent task, ensuring that everything remains organized and easily accessible. So as you add more detailed tasks, you're enhancing your productivity without any risk of losing sight of the bigger picture. Additionally, the ability to collapse or expand these sub-items can help keep your workspace tidy. When you collapse them, your database remains neat and uncluttered, allowing you to focus on your priority tasks. As you work through your list, you can expand the items as needed to see all underlying details. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to boost your productivity by using the sub-items feature in Notion. With this approach, you'll find managing your tasks becomes much clearer and more organized. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips to help streamline your workflow.